Have you ever spent hours in the garden, only to end up with tired knees and aching back, wondering if it was all worth it? Well, what if I told you there are plants that practically take care of themselves? Today, I'm sharing 7 magical plants that grow so easily. You might even feel a little guilty for not doing much, but your garden will still look like a dream. By the end of this video, you'll discover plants that are affordable, low maintenance, and perfect for seniors, whether you have a spacious backyard or just a cozy balcony. And trust me, the very first plant on our list is one you're absolutely going to want to try. My neighbor planted it last summer, and everyone who walks by their fence stops to ask what it is. Before we dive in, I just want to say thank you for spending this time with me today. It means so much that you're here. And if you enjoy these tips, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It helps our little senior gardening community grow. Now, a gentle reminder before we get started. Gardening isn't about perfection. It's about joy, creativity, and watching little miracles bloom under your care. And don't worry, if you forget to water once in a while, these plants won't hold a grudge. That brings us to the heart of today's approach, the lazy gardener mindset. Yes, it's a real thing, and it's wonderful. Lazy gardening is all about choosing forgiving, low-maintenance plants that reward you without demanding too much effort. Think raised beds that save your knees, container planting that keeps everything within reach, and easy watering techniques that make caring for your garden feel almost effortless. My friend swears by a couple of these tricks. He calls it gardening without breaking a sweat, and his backyard looks like a storybook. If this mindset resonates with you, go ahead and hit that like button. It tells me we're on the same page. And remember, gardening is meant to be relaxing, joyful, and above all, yours to enjoy. 7. Peace lily, spathiphyllum. Now, let's start with number 7 on our list, the peace lily. Oh, this plant is a real gem for seniors. Why? Because it's forgiving, low maintenance, and thrives in low-light corners where other plants might sulk. Imagine a little splash of green and white elegance on your side table or windowsill, quietly lifting your spirits every day. Caring for a peace lily is almost like having a calm, quiet friend in your home. Give it indirect light, nothing too harsh, and water it about once a week. And here's a little secret. It's very forgiving if you miss a watering here or there. Yellow leaves? Just trim them gently, and your plant will bounce right back. My friend has one tucked by her armchair, and she swears it brightens up the whole room, almost like it's silently cheering her on. And here's the fun part. Watch how those elegant white blooms seem to smile at you. It's almost like the plant itself is saying, "You got this." And honestly, after a long day, having a little encouragement from your peace lily can feel surprisingly uplifting. Even your neighbors would be jealous if they peeked into your cozy indoor corner and saw it thriving. 6. Spider plant, Chlorophytum comosum. Next up is number 6, the charming spider plant. If you've ever wanted a little helper to freshen the air in your home, this is it. Spider plants are natural air purifiers, taking care of your indoor environment while looking effortlessly elegant. And the best part? They are incredibly resilient, perfect for seniors who want beauty without constant fuss. Caring for a spider plant is delightfully simple. Place it in moderate light, somewhere it can enjoy gentle sunlight, but not scorch in direct rays. Water it occasionally, about once every week or 10 days, depending on your climate. And don't forget those little runners, the long, arching stems that sprout baby plants at their tips. Trim them when they get too wild, or let them grow into their own pots. Honestly, it's like watching a tiny family tree unfold right in your living room. Here's a fun touch. Spider plants grow babies so fast, you'll be a proud plant grandparent in no time. One of my neighbors had a single spider plant on her kitchen shelf, and within months, she had enough little ones to gift to all her friends. People came by asking, "Where did you get these adorable plants?" It's that easy to share joy while growing something beautiful. And just imagine, every little baby plant dangling down like tiny green ribbons. Doesn't it make your heart feel lighter? That's the magic of the spider plant. It's forgiving, cheerful, and full of life, just like we like our gardens to be. 5. Snake plant, Sansevieria. Coming in at number 5 is the incredible snake plant. If there were a superhero in the plant world, this would be it. Virtually indestructible, it thrives even when you forget about it for a week or two. Honestly, It's the perfect companion for seniors who want beauty without high maintenance. Caring for a snake plant is wonderfully simple. Keep it in indirect light. Near a window that gets some gentle sun is perfect, and water it sparingly. A little trick I like to share: wipe the leaves now and then with a soft cloth to keep that deep green shine and remove any dust. That's it. It's like having a green friend who doesn't ask for much, but gives so much in return. And here's a little encouragement for you. Even if you forget it for weeks, it'll forgive you. That's the kind of plant we love. My friend has one in her hallway, and she often jokes that it's the most patient roommate she's ever had. The tall, upright leaves add a striking touch to any room, making your space feel lively and elegant without extra effort. So, if you're looking for a plant that's nearly impossible to kill and still makes your home feel vibrant, the snake plant is your go-to. And the best part? You can practically forget it exists, and it will still look amazing, like it's silently cheering you on from the corner of your room. 4. Lavender, Lavandula. Number 4 on our list is the delightful lavender. Just imagining its soft purple blooms and soothing fragrance brings a smile, doesn't it? Lavender isn't just beautiful. It's fragrant, pest-resistant, and attracts pollinators like bees and butterflies, adding life and gentle movement to your garden. Your neighbors might stop by just to catch a whiff of that calming scent drifting through the air. Caring for lavender is simple but rewarding. Plant it in full sun where it can soak up gentle warmth, and make sure the soil drains well. Lavender doesn't like soggy roots. Give it occasional pruning to keep it neat and encourage more blooms. That's all it takes for this cheerful plant to reward you with color, fragrance, and a touch of elegance. And here's a little bonus tip. Pop some dried lavender in a pillow or drawer. It's like bringing a mini garden into your home. I did this last year, and every time I open the drawer, I'm reminded of sunny garden afternoons. It's a small, effortless way to carry that joy inside with you. Lavender is perfect for seniors who want a plant that's forgiving, beautiful, and a little magical. Plus, it's versatile. You can enjoy it in pots, garden beds, or even along a balcony railing, and it always manages to bring a touch of serenity wherever it grows. 3. Marigolds, Tagetes. Coming in at number 3 are the cheerful marigolds. If you want your garden to look like a sunny celebration every day, these are your go-to flowers. With their bright, golden-orange blooms, they're practically impossible to ignore, and they have a wonderful secret. They're naturally pest-resistant. That means fewer garden battles for you and more time enjoying their beauty. Caring for marigolds is delightfully easy. Give them full sun so their colors really pop, and water them regularly, though they're quite drought-tolerant, so missing a day or two won't hurt. And here's a little maintenance trick: deadhead spent flowers. It keeps the plant blooming longer and makes it look fresh and lively all season. My neighbor swears by it. Her marigolds practically light up her entire balcony and draw compliments from everyone who walks by. And now for a little gentle humor. Even the bees can't resist them. They practically throw a garden party around these flowers. Watching a few busy bees buzzing happily from bloom to bloom is like seeing a tiny festival unfold in your garden. It's such a simple joy that reminds us why gardening is so rewarding. Marigolds are perfect for seniors who want cheerful, resilient, and easy-to-love flowers. They bring warmth, color, and a little buzz, literally, to your outdoor space, making every glance at your garden feel like a happy little celebration. 2. Mentha. Number 2 on our list is the wonderfully hardy and fragrant mint. Oh, the joy this little plant brings. Not only is it incredibly resilient, but it's also edible, versatile, and grows so quickly that you'll feel like you have a miniature herb farm right on your windowsill or patio. Imagine plucking a few fresh leaves and instantly adding a refreshing touch to tea, salads, or desserts. It's gardening that rewards you in flavor as well as beauty. Caring for mint is refreshingly simple, though a little tip: plant it in a container or pot to prevent it from spreading uncontrollably across your garden. Give it moderate water and harvest occasionally. Snipping a few leaves encourages new growth and keeps the plant lush. My friend has a pot of mint on her balcony, and she laughs that it's practically taking over her herb collection because it's so eager to grow. And here's a bonus tip to make your heart smile. Nothing beats the joy of sipping fresh mint tea from your own garden. Tea time has never been so easy or so delightful. The gentle aroma, the crisp green leaves, and the satisfaction of knowing you grew it yourself. It's little moments like these that make gardening such a soothing and rewarding hobby. Mint is perfect for seniors who want something lively, fragrant, and endlessly useful. It's a plant that keeps giving, quietly reminding you of the simple pleasures in life and the joy of nurturing something with your own hands. 1. Aloe Vera, Aloe barbadensis. And finally, our number 1 pick, the crown jewel of lazy gardening, Aloe Vera. This plant isn't just beautiful, it's medicinal, resilient, and practically indestructible. Imagine having a green friend on your windowsill that not only adds a touch of elegance, but also comes to your rescue with soothing gel for burns, skincare, or minor cuts. It's like having a little first aid kit that grows in a pot. Caring for aloe vera is wonderfully simple. Place it in bright, indirect light, water sparingly, only when the soil is dry, and gently remove old or damaged leaves. That's it. Even if you forget it for a few weeks, it bounces right back, standing tall and proud, almost like it's silently applauding your gardening efforts. Here's the highlight. Aloe vera is the ultimate multitasker. Your first aid, your beauty helper, your green companion, all in one pot. Don't skip this one. Trust me, it earns its place as the centerpiece of any low-maintenance garden. My neighbor has one on her kitchen shelf, and she swears it saved her from minor burns more than once while still looking elegant and thriving. So, if there's a plant that truly embodies the spirit of lazy gardening, this is it. It's forgiving, practical, and endlessly rewarding. A perfect fit for our golden years lifestyle hub garden. Now that we've met all 7 of our easygoing plants, let's talk about a few bonus tips to make gardening even more enjoyable and less tiring. Refresh your soil each season with compost or a good potting mix. It gives your plants a boost and keeps them happy. Watering doesn't have to be a chore. Lightweight hoses, self-watering pots, or a simple watering wand can save your back and your energy. And don't forget about energy-saving techniques like raised beds, knee pads, and easy access containers. Your knees will thank you, and so will your plants. Even if you've never gardened before, these plants are forgiving, resilient, and patient. You can do this. And a little humor. If they can survive my forgetfulness, they can survive yours too. Gardening isn't about perfection. It's about enjoying the process and celebrating small victories. I'd love to hear about your gardens. Share your progress in the comments. What's growing in your space, and which lazy plant is your favorite? And if you haven't yet, subscribe to join our senior gardening community. Together, we make gardening joyful, simple, and full of encouragement. Gardening is about connection, joy, and creativity, not perfection. Start small, enjoy each moment, and celebrate your green victories. Remember, it's never too late to grow something beautiful. Like, comment, and subscribe to keep our community growing. I can't wait to see your gardens flourish. Happy planting, friends!